Welcome to our class, Amma. Next multiplication. Multiply times 3. Use the skips. Okay. You multiply every time 3 times. So use the skips like this. 5 plus 5. 5. Okay. Now 5 plus 5. 10. 10 plus 5. 15. 5 plus 5. 10. 10 plus 5. 15. Here write down 15. Not this. Sorry. No. What is this? 5 times and 3. 5 times repeated 3. 5 times repeated 3. So like this 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Like this. 5 times. How many times here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times repeated 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3. How much more? 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. You get 15, write in this box, 15. Again here, 8 times 3 means 8 times repeated 3. 8 times repeated 3. So here, now plus 3, again plus 3. So 8 times repeated 3. 8. Here you get 15 as up to 5 times 15. Now 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3. How much more? 15 plus 3. 18. Now 18 plus 3. 21. 21 plus 3. 24. You get 24. Right here 24. Here 6 times 3. Count it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to here. Okay. Now 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 15 plus 3, 18. Right here 18. Now 2 times 3. 2 times 3. 2 times repeated 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Right here 6. Now here 4 times 3. 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to here. 4 times. Now 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. You get 12. This is the skip counting. Okay. Now 7 times 3. Where it is the 7? Here. Okay. Now 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Right here 21. Now 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. You write down 9. Now next. 9 times 3. You are adding one more. 9 times 3. Here 24 you get up to 8. Yes. Here up to 8. 24 get. Now 24 plus 3. 27. Write down here 27. Please copy it, Amma. This is write in both textbook and class works. Now next one. One more method. You shown a number line also. Number line. You shown number line. You check it. How many skips are there? Okay. Number line meeda kuda show chesi any times skip avutundo kuda you get. That is the one more method. Now next one. Okay. What is this, Amma? How many skips of 3 are needed? Use the number line. Here mention what is that? Use a number line. So first to show it, Amma, number line. You need how much, Amma? 24. So 0. Directly you skip it. Okay. 3. Again you are adding 3. 6. Okay, again you are adding 3. 9. Again you are adding 3. 12. Again you are adding 3. 15. 21. And 24. And 27. Like this. Every time you are adding, I am adding 3. 3 this steps 4. Okay. So you get 24 as every time 3 as. So like this you take ila kuda teesukochamma 1 kada 1 2 now 4 5 now 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 and 14 16 and 17 18 and sorry here missing some. Okay. 19, 21, 24. 17 as 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Like this. Okay. Now every time you steps, how many steps forward? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many steps, Amma? Count it. How many steps? How many skips are there? This is called skips are steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many skips? 8 skips. 8 times 3, you get 24. So how many skips? 8 skips. 8 skips. And now write down, Amma. Now one more. Next to homework problem. Homework problem. 18. No dash into 6. You will do these 2 problems like this. Okay. Write it. Every time 3 steps తీసుకోవాలి. You are reaching 18. So any steps forward అయిందో, any steps skip అయిందో, you count it and write here. Okay. And take it and 24 on your number line. This 24, this show on your number line. Okay. Every time 3 steps moving. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. And every time 3 number forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So every time 3 steps ko oka 1 skip తీసుకోండి. 3 number ki 1 skip. This is 3 number 1 skip. Again 3 numbers 1 skip. Again 3 number 1 skip. Again 3 number 1 skip. Again 3 number 1 skip. Like this. So any skips అయినా count చేసుకోండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. Okay. Now you will do these 2 homework problems in your class work and post it. First, yes, homework problem first one. First 18 show on your number line. In every 1 skip ki 3 number forward avandi. So you get skips. Any skips vastayo you will get it. Okay. Now thank you.